Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster on the grill. First, select live lobsters, ideally weighing between 1.5 and 2 pounds each as they cook most evenly. Carefully split each lobster in half lengthwise from the head down through the tail. This exposes the meat for grilling. Remember to remove the tollmelly, the green digestive gland, and any visible digestive tract for a cleaner taste. This initial step is crucial for a delicious grilled lobster. Now for the flavor. Once your lobsters are split, brush the exposed meat generously with a mixture of melted butter, minced garlic, and your favorite fresh herbs like parsley or chives. Don't forget to season them well with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a touch of paprika for color and a hint of warmth. While you're doing this, preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, aiming for about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's time to grill. Place your seasoned lobster halves meat side down directly onto the preheated grill grates. Let them cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the meat to get a nice char and develop flavor. Then, flip them over so they are shell side down. Continue cooking for another 3 to 5 minutes. The lobster is perfectly done when the internal temperature reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit and the meat is opaque. Your grilled lobster is ready. Transfer the cooked lobster halves to a serving platter. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of chopped parsley will brighten the flavors and add a beautiful finish. Serve immediately with small bowls of extra melted butter for dipping. It's truly a simple yet elegant dish. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the links in the description below. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.